on, Tim.
This thing here may be a rocket. It's so loud! Holy jumping! Well, we made it. Had to stop for tacos for Melissa.
Well, that was dumb. Just scratched the floor. So this is the biggest unboxing I've ever done. And it was probably the hardest one to actually go and pick up and get into the apartment. Help! Let's get this puppy opened up. You already know from the title that this is in fact a wolf warrior. And special thank you to Voro for sending it up. Very kind of them. This is the Wolf Warrior King GT. We got on top, Melissa's gonna come closer. One kickstand, lug nuts, 2 manuals. One's the display, one's the manual for the Wolf. And it looks like 2 charging packs. Alrighty, styrofoam galore here. Whew. This is a beast. Not my toes. And that's it for what's inside. But one of these tool things just showed up as well, so probably bouncing around in the middle. Wow, this is enormous. So it looks like I'm going to do my Tim installing of the handlebars and also the kickstand. I'm gonna have to attach the kickstand next. And then of course put the lug nuts on. So I'm gonna take this off next. Very nice.
It's very nice.
ASMR. Power on. Nice. Average speed, 96.9 miles an hour. That's not frightening. I'm assuming that wasn't, that must be on a bench test or something. Anywho, 71.8 volts, single motor, batteries at 50%, horn. Oh no, that's lights. Horn. Ooh, jeez. Wow, that's loud. Indicators. Oh, that's nice. And also at the back. Go to the right. And that light at the front. Turn it on. Plus, minus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 speeds. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. Wow, lots of information on here. I like this. Temperature of the actual motors, error codes, current, how much juice. This is gonna be a lot of fun to review. I think you big guys are gonna really love this scooter.